here was nobody. And I got an Ida's with this store. And I got this big bun for our cousin, Big Johnny. And this I got.
Oh, can you buy Real Hero when you're done with that video?
And I got soup. That's real. And I think it's a big puppy. I treat it like a girl.
Whoa, what the heck? A pig eating the
So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys today. And I was gonna play with them, but I have to go and get something really quick. Hi. Well, hi, I am back, and what I wanted to forget, and I wanted to show you guys. She's a little teddy bear. It's fine. I got it.
Yeah. How can I help with Buddy?
I'm kidding. Alright, well, today I need to shout out to FGTV for doing the most exciting video. And Sis vs. Bro. Sis vs. Bro, I like when big news happens. It's really cool how they made that cat house for their cat.
Yeah.
And their cat has a boyfriend.
I used the
So yeah, shout out to FGTV and Sis vs. Bro. Bye.